My sari. These are my bangles. That's my look.
ओम गंगणपते नमः स्वाहा ओम गंगणपते नमः स्वाहा ओम एकदन्ताय महे वक्रतुण्डाय मेदन्नोदन्ति प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा ओम एकदन्ताय महे वक्रतुण्डाय मेदन्नोदन्ति
What's up, everybody? This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath, and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. We have a Ganahoma in our house here in Udupi, and this is going to be a Ganahoma vlog. Gana Homa is basically Ganapati Homa. It's good for prosperity, wellness, good for the house, good for yourself. So it's good if you do it once every year. So we do it every year on 27th January or 28th January when it's during my father's birthday. Gotten ready with this sari. I'll show you. I'll do some makeup and I'll show you my look. I did some makeup and I'll wear. Oh, TV, AC, remote, horn gun, battery kali. Yay! And earrings and and some bangles. That'll complete my look. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. किस पर से? Hi everyone. Hi everyone. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಎತ್ರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಮೆಳ್ಳ ತಾಂಚಾಕ very happy. And this is my sari. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Twirl, twirl, twirl. My necklace. These are my bangles. These my earrings. That's my look. This was our breakfast. This was upma. That was some Kerala chips and some mixture. And here we are. This is my mama, Savita Puranik, Ganesh mom, and but mom has come home. And here we will begin the preparation. There's a lot of preparation to make, and after which we will begin the havan. The Panditji, that is the Bhatmam, was drawing mandalas. And this is our temple room. This is the most favorite part of the house of my father. This is his best place in the house for him. And he decorates it every day without fail with lot of flowers. These hibiscus are grown in on our terrace garden. हमने लेख ले बटमा हम तुम्ही ची आणि कोण आपयता म्हणून लेखली But mom applied tilak to all the men in the house, and I was asked to light the diya and apply haldi kumkum and place a flower, and then we begin the havan with the prarthana. The Prarthana is also called as Sankalpa, where the Panditji tells the Uddesh, that is the purpose of doing the Havan, and then we pray to God that the hope the Havan happens very nicely without any adchan or without any issues or problems. And at the end of the Havan, again the Panditji, the Bhatmam, prays again to God that the Havan was performed nicely and without any problems, and hope the God has accepted it, and prays for prosperity of everybody.
Good, good, good. पश्य जन्मनक्षत्रे जन्मराशि जन्मविभाग दुष्टदशान्तकमासादित्यादिग्रहाणां सकाशासु चित्तेषु दृश्यमानसकल दुर्बाधा ओम स्वस्यर्दमृद्यर् अभिद्यर्दम सरसिद्धिपुरुषस्य पुण्यावद्दाचर्म तन्माकरिष्ये ओम हेद्यपरतिविदयं यज्ञमिषदाम बलिभिः तस्मै प्रणोति सौराजिं बाणयासि परमाकरिषे राजिवज्रे परित्यर्देशर्दममे खातरा प्रसादे मम्मे गंगे यमुने सरस्वती ज्ञानदिक् सर्वार्धनस्य
And Ram Bhatmam got this Mulki Tirtha for us from Mulki Venkatram temple. This Tirtha Prasad is extremely powerful and very auspicious. You can drink it daily and sprinkle in your house if you find any negative energies. So it is all good for prosperity. This black stone that you see is called Shaligram. That is a very sacred stone which is considered to be Lord Vishnu's avatar. So here we are doing Shaligram Abhisheka. When it is Ganapati Havan, the most important thing is the Garike Hullu or Dibrang Koru or Darba. So that is what is offered to Lord Ganapati. It's his favorite. Lord Ganesha's favorite is this grass called Darba, and that's what we offered. And this is the Panchkadai, that is the Ganahoma Prasad, that is Naivedya to the Havan.
विद्महे वक्रतुंडाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्.
This ritual is called bringing Agni to the Havan. So the Havan starts with the fire, and this Agni is brought by the married woman in this coconut husk and in the coconut shell, and we apply haldi kumkum to it, and that's placed in the Havan kund. And then the Panditji, the Bhatmam, places all the twigs and the wood pieces. They are generally from the sagwani tree, that is a teak tree, or they are from the jackfruit tree bark. And with more twigs and more wood pieces, the Havan ignites, the fire ignites more. And then the Panditji, as well as the Yajaman of the Havan, that is the person who sits for the Havan. Here in my case it's Guruji, my husband. They will add ghee. So it's always said that ghee ignites the fire. So that will cause the Havan to go ahead. Ghee is considered prosperity. So this is ghee which is being now offered to the Havan. We pour ghee and then we chant mantras. Also, we did 108 Ganapati Ashtottar with the offering Garike Hullu, that is darba grass to the god. And once the Havan progresses, there's a lot of smoke, so people can't stay inside and everybody goes outside. And it's better you open all the windows so that you know that it's good ventilation, and this smoke is said to clear all your nasal passages, and it's good. The trick is the person who performs the havan, the pandit ji and the yajaman and the person performing, only they don't get the smoke, because the smoke always goes upward and outward, so the smoke travels everywhere else but not to the people sitting on the level of that oven. And this was the Havan Aarti and also Purnahuti of the Havan. And here I was trying to click some cinematic videos of the Havan. I really love clicking cinematic videos when the Havan is going on. The way the flames move in that cinematic video is what I really enjoy seeing. Did you like this visual? Let me know in the comments. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. And this is the prasada of the Havan, where the Pandit ji prays to God and says to God to accept the Havan that we performed and prays for betterment for all of us and gives the prasad to the eldest member of the family. Here in our case, it was my Mav. That is my mother's sister, Savita Puranik. And then after that, we have to apply the prasad of the Havan, that is the ashes. You have to apply to your forehead and all the sandhis of your body, all the joints. But mama,
ಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣ ಇದು ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ.
And that's us ladies posing after the Havan. That's my mom, that's my mom's elder sister, Savita Puranik, and that's me. Hi. 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 Hi everyone, Santi. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Bye. Hi. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, hit that like button. If you please do subscribe and hype the video 3 times. Hype, hype, hype. And let me know all your thoughts in the comment section. How did you like the video? I'd love to read your comments. Thank you for all your love and support. Your support makes me stronger. I love you all, and may Lord Ganesha bless you all. May the fruit of Ganahoma reach all my viewers and subscribers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a sweet comment. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.